Hello students, welcome to SST class. In this video, we will learn about distribution of minerals. Minerals are found in different types of rocks. Metallic minerals are found in igneous and metamorphic rocks, and limestone, coal and petroleum are found in sedimentary rocks. Asia. Let us learn which minerals are found in Asia. Iron ore. The Asia is the largest producer of iron ore, and world's half tin is produced in Asia. Asia also has deposits of manganese, bauxite, nickel, zinc and copper. Switzerland has no non-mineral deposits. Europe is the leading producer of iron ore in the world. Russia, Ukraine, Sweden and France has large deposits of iron ore. Except it, copper, lead, zinc, manganese and nickel are also found in Eastern Europe and European Russia. Green diamond is the rarest rock, and world's oldest rock is in West Australia. North America is rich in iron ore, nickel, gold, uranium and copper. These are mined in Canadian Shield region. Coal is mined in Appalachian Mountain region, and copper, lead, zinc, gold and silver are mined in Western Cordilleras. South America. Brazil is the largest producer of high-grade iron ore in the world. Chile and Peru are the leading producers of copper. Brazil and Bolivia are the world's largest producer of tin. Except it, South America has deposits of gold, silver, zinc, chromium, manganese, bauxite, mica, platinum, asbestos and diamond. Mineral oil is found in Venezuela, Argentina, Chile, Peru and Colombia. Africa is rich in mineral resources. It is the world's largest producer of diamonds, gold and platinum. Except it, copper, iron ore, chromium, uranium, cobalt and bauxite is also found here, and oil is found in Nigeria, Libya and Angola. Australia is the largest producer of bauxite in the world. It is the leading producer of gold, diamond, iron ore, tin and nickel. Antarctica. Coal is forecasted to be found in Trans-Antarctic Mountains and iron near Prince Charles Mountain in East Antarctica. Except it, iron ore, gold, silver and oil are also present in commercial quantities in Antarctica. Now let us learn about the uses of minerals. Minerals are used in industries. Copper is used in everything from coins to pipes. Silicon used in computer industry, which is obtained from quartz. Aluminium, which is obtained from bauxite, is used in automobiles, airplanes, bottling industries, building and in kitchen cookware also. Conservation of minerals. Minerals are a non-renewable resource. It takes thousands of years for the formation and concentration of minerals. The rate of formation is smaller than the rate at which the human consume these minerals. So it is necessary to reduce wastage in the process of mining. Recycling of metal is another way in which the mineral resources can be conserved. Thank you. Have a nice day.